Hi Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. Today, I'm off Old Harbour Road, more specifically, McCook's Estate, and we're about to check out a beautifully designed 3-bed, 2-bath that's available for sale at just 27.5 million JMD. If you're interested in this property, I'll have the contact details at the end of the video. I'm super excited to go and check it out. Let's go! Alright, so this is the property. It sits on over 8,000 square feet of land space, and it is again a 3-bed, 2-bath. We have trowel finish on the outside of the walls, but there's also this soft stone finish that gives this home a really nice aesthetic, and your entranceway makes it beautiful. This driveway can hold 2 cars. You have a lot of space on the front here for gardening, planting of trees, so on and so forth, and then you have additional space to the side and to the back for if you want to do any additions. There is also decoratic roofing that's there, and these beautiful porcelain tiles. There's a lot of windows on this particular home, so lighting, and as it pertains to breeze, you can get a lot of air and lighting in. There are also some really nice outdoor lights that are here and goes really nicely with the theme of the space. Weatherproof power outlets, which is a nice touch. Safety first, as per usual. Now that we're on the inside, let me open up some of these windows, and you can see we have some really nice windows that are on the inside. And let me just open up some of the windows so we can drown out some of the echoing that would be coming through. Because as you guys know, this is a brand new property. So as we step on the inside, it is fully open concept. You have the living area that is here. I'm seeing 2 power outlets, one to my right and one directly in front of me. We have the tray ceilings, and it really gives the home a nice touch, and our windy ceiling fans, of course. Shout out to my people at Carlisa Enterprises. There is also this dining space right here. You have the cutout underneath here for you to put your breakfast nooks or your stools so your children or family members can enjoy breakfast while you're preparing in the kitchen area. These counters are granite countertops. We have maple wood that is used to make the upper and lower cabinetry. And speaking of upper and lower cabinetry, there is ample upper and lower cabinetry. And then I like the backsplash that's used that accents the cupboards very well. There's also a double vanity right there. And if you look out to your backyard, because this is your backyard, and I can show you that your property or your land stops right around there. I don't know if you can see the peg, but we can go outside and check it out. So this is it for the living, dining with beautiful lights, and then the kitchen area. Standard stove fits right here, and a standard refrigerator will fit right there. Being that we're here, let's check out the wash area. So this is the washroom, and it is wired for hot and cold water. And then this is your little back patio area. The peg on this side is covered by the greenery that's there. Some rain fell and that grew up, but again, your property line is right there. All right, let me give you a reverse look of the property. And then you have lighting fixtures that are affixed right here. There's one up there, and there's one to the other side over there as well, and to the sides of the building also. Let me just close this door. All right, so let's check out the two rooms on this side. So this first room, and it's Jack and Jill, they share this bathroom in the middle. Again, you have the windy ceiling fans, and then of course, if you guys are interested in getting air conditioning after you move in, you can always contact me. You know, I have the hookup. You get two windows on the inside. You get closet space. And there's also space above for you to store big linen or your suitcases for when you're not traveling the world. Alright. This is your bathroom that shares for both these two bedrooms. A nice faucet will be put in right here. It's just not in right now because persons generally like to play with them when they come to look at a property. So we want to keep everything brand spanking new for you guys to utilize when you buy this property. So that's the shower head. And it's a shower tub combo, as you can see. Toilet is covered for protection. We have a nice tile work that accents the peach colored walls as well. This is the third bedroom. Similar to the other, but the thing is that the closet is at the entrance for this one. So this is your closet space in here. Another ceiling fan, which is nice. Give you the reverse view. And then with this one, you get views of the front. And it is a quiet community. A lot more houses are being developed around here. And once completed, it will be a beautiful, quiet, peaceful, safe community for all. It is right now, but it's just a bit underdeveloped. So you want to catch it before it actually becomes fully developed, and the price points for the houses around here will naturally go up. So this is a primary bedroom. Ceiling fan again. So the ceiling fan theme runs right throughout all the bedrooms. You have 3 power outlets that are on the inside here. You get 2 windows, one showing the side and one showing the front. So you can see your 2 cars that will be parked on the outside. You can see your lush garden that you'll be building up right there, and your little patio chair that you'll have out on the front with possibly a desk or such to enjoy outside in the evenings when you do get home. So you have a full walk-in closet, and of course the rails are here to be put up. They're just not in as yet. So that's you walk in, and let's check out the primary bedroom. So this is the primary bedroom. Again, the faucet is not in, but that's by design. Toilet and your glass enclosure shower with the same fixtures and fittings as the second bathroom. So that's pretty much it for this particular 3-bed 2-bath. As I mentioned, it sits on 8,000, a minimum of 8,000 square feet, and it is 45 minutes from Kingston. That's another benefit of this particular property. It's less than 45 minutes from Kingston at that. All right. And what you're buying into now is at or below market value, and then once more of these develop, then of course the price point will go up. Here's one that's right here. There's another one next door. There's one that's going to be placed next to this one, and there are 2 up the road. So there are quite a few of these that are being developed in this Macook's Estate community. Once they're fully built out, I can guarantee you that the price point for your property will go up. So you buying in now, it presents a great value for your money. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular property tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can comment down below and let me know what you love about the property and how you would make this home into your home. It is available again for 27.5 million JMD, and I'll leave the contact information here for who you can contact to make this home your own. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. Thanks again. AB signing out.